Welcome all my dear student of TYBC physics class. This is our last lecture of this chapter sequential logic circuit and of this paper physics paper with electronic also. Up to this point in this chapter we studied definition of flip-flop, types of flip-flop, then first RS flip-flop, then clocked RS flip-flop, then JK flip-flop, master slave JK flip-flop, D flip-flop, T flip-flop, etc. along with their truth tables and along with their symbols. Now in this lecture we are going to see the last important point, which is very important point for exam point of view, and this point clear or this point overcome one of the best thing is that as in the flip-flop studied so far, it is found that when the power switch is turned on, the state of the output of the flip-flop is uncertain, म्हणजे निश्चित नसते. जेव्हा आपण पॉवर सप्लाय ऑन करू तेव्हा फ्लिप-फ्लॉपची आउटपुट स्टेट ही निश्चित नसते. किती is that set, is the flip-flop is set or reset, that is output may be 0, that is Q is equal to 0, and you know when Q is equal to 0 flip-flop is reset, and when Q is equal to 0 its complement output, that is Q bar is 1, and when Q is equal to 1 and when Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is 1, at that time flip-flop is reset. On the other hand, when Q is equal to 1 and Q bar is 0, at that time flip-flop is reset. But this is uncertain when power switch is turned on. Now in many applications it is necessary that the output of the flip-flop initially is either reset, that is Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is equal to 1, or set, that is Q is equal to 1 and Q bar is equal to 0. This initial setting of output can be practically achieved by adding two more input terminals to the flip-flop, and these two input terminals are called preset and clear. Preset is abbreviated by PR and clear is abbreviated by CR. So these are the two newly added input terminals in flip-flop in order to initialize the setting of the output by practical way. Okay. So in order to understand the initial setting of output by practical way, by adding two more input terminal to a flip-flop, consider this figure, or this figure illustrates the initial setting of output which can be practically achieved by adding two extra input terminals to a flip-flop, and these two inputs terminals are called preset, that is PR, and clear, that is CR. These inputs are asynchronous, in Marathi samakalin. These two inputs are asynchronous inputs because we can apply them at any time without thinking about their synchronization with the clock pulse. What I say, these inputs are called asynchronous inputs because we can apply them at any time without thinking of their synchronization with the clock pulse. Are you got it? The SR flip-flop with preset PR and clear CR is shown in this figure. Now here we are going to see the working, and we are going to represent that working in a truth table, and then lastly we summarize again the working with the help of truth table. So here we are going to study the operation, how this circuit operates. So first point, when preset is 0, that is logically low, okay, and clear, that is CLR, clear, is equal to 1. What I say first, when PR is equal to 0, this one, and CLR, by mistake I write only CLR is 1. When preset is 0 and CLR is 1, the output of NAND gate 3, when this is equal to 0, whatever may be the other inputs, but Q is equal to 1. What I say, when PR is set to 0, whatever may the other inputs, but this NAND gate, when any one input is 0, then obviously it outputs is 1 for any values of S and R. This means that when preset is equal to 0, the flip-flop is set. The flip-flop is set. And for that purpose, when flip-flop is set, Q is equal to 1, Q is equal to 1 and Q bar is equal to 0. When this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 1. Okay. Now on the other hand, when PR is equal to 1, when we preset for logically high state and CLR is equal to 0, the output of fourth NAND gate, this NAND gate, will be equal to 0, will be equal to 1 for any values of S and R. For any values of S and R. This means that when PR is set to 1 and clear terminal is set to 0, the flip-flop is reset. This one, flip-flop is reset. Okay. Now, when PR is equal to 1 and CR is equal to 1, then both these terminals are inactive. Both these terminals are inactive. Why it is so? When PR is equal to 1 and when CR is equal to 1, both these terminals are inactive and RS flip-flop operates in accordance with the truth table. Okay. And lastly, when PR is equal to 0 and CR is also equal to 0, both the terminals are 0. PR is equal to 0 and CLR is equal to 0. The output of NAND gate, both the NAND gates, is in a certain state. So making PR is equal to 0 and CLR is equal to 0 is avoided. Okay. So remember that either this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 1, or this is equal to 1 and this is equal to 0 is essential. In this way, this circuit operates, and this truth table summarize the operation of this RS flip-flop with two extra input terminals, preset that is PR and clear that is CLR. Now the symbol for this SR flip-flop with preset and set is very important. See how symbol is right. Symbol is looking like this. This is S, this is R, okay, and this is clear signal, CLR. Sorry, clock signal. No, clear signal. This is clear signal. This is clock signal, not CLR. Clock signal. This is clock signal. Okay. This is clock signal. Okay. Now this is Q and this is Q bar. Now here in this figure, in present case, these preset and set terminals are not shown. Now I am going to show this. This is the terminal for PR and this is the terminal for CR. Note that this bubble and this bubble, both the bubbles are very important. Why? It must be noted that the input preset that is PR and other input that is clear that is CR are active low, which is indicated by these two bubbles, this bubble and this bubble on these inputs point. In this way we completed the total chapter, that is sequential logical circuit, and we finished or we completed 100% syllabus of this paper, electronic first, essential electronic first, sorry, essential electronic paper, okay, and the code of this paper is 354. Now only you have to observe my each and every lecture which I uploaded on YouTube carefully. All these lectures are also provided to you on your WhatsApp group. Now I will provide you the notes of this chapter in PDF form on our WhatsApp group. You have to study hard and keep it in your mind that this is the pandemic situation due to COVID-19, and that's why I mostly conducted the lecture on YouTube channel, and when we are having chance, we got the chance at your college, we take some lectures in our classroom, okay, and notes of that lectures are already given to you. Now here, due to pandemic situation, I uploaded most of the lectures or variety of lectures on my YouTube channel, Dr. Bapu Sahib Bhosle. You have to subscribe the channel, you have to download the lecture, you have to observe the lecture carefully, and you have to read the notes carefully, which I am going to supply you in the PDF form on your WhatsApp group, so that I think so if you do this sincerely, then success is always with you. Now best of luck for your exam. We shall stop here. Have a good day. Thank you.